Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn voice chat on or off Battlefield REDSEC. Let's get started. First, from the home screen, move your cursor on the top menu and select the settings. Then here in the settings, open and look for the sidebar and scroll down until you find audio settings. Click on it to open the audio menu. Now, scroll through the audio section until you see a voice chat. This is where you can enable the voice chat and disable the voice chat. Adjust settings like volume, mic options, and more. And also to disable the voice chat, simply toggle the option off. If you want to keep it enabled, leave it on and customize the settings as you prefer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.